Ngiyaphila njani baba?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami. Ibona kanjani igame?
Eish, was it this time, ne?
Yeah.
We've done our homework. Especially with this team, because this team stop on this team. Since last season, we're selling the 2 games.
One game is
Yes, Vimba le team le. Wasi bonisile uthi
namhlanje.
Yeah.
Yitha wongabla.
Yeah.
8 yayibhangania.
Mina ngasile ukuthi ama penalty, there's no way ukuthi singa ama penalty. Siyashaya. Asifuna ama penalty, sifuna ukushaya la.
Thank you bhuti wami.
Yeah. And I just wish usihlangana namakhazeni bethu lapho phambili ngazi.
Sizana esowethu.
Abakhazeni bethu sebafuna esowethu la. Sikuba clean sikuba cala ngabo isizini lesicala ngabo la. Yeah.
Man of the match bhuti wami ubone bani? Man of the match.
Umbatha, no one else. Umbatha.
Ayikho omunye umuntu.
Akekho omunye umuntu. Umbatha ubekade kahle. Was decide igame ne? Umbatha bekade kahle ama game. Udefender and wakhona Mbata is not Siyama is our next captain. Is our official captain. Siyama is our official captain. Siyama. Mbata is man of the match today. Siyama is our official captain. I'm telling you, my brother.
Thank you, Abang Aputra. Thank you.